Hello there, everyone. I'm just going to do a short little kind of look at a new pen I purchased. It is the Fisher Space Pen Bullet, and I got this at a Staples, and it was around 20 bucks, which isn't bad. And if any of yous don't know what Fisher's all about, they make pens originally for NASA for the space missions because there wasn't any ballpoint pens that could write because they rely on gravity to feed the ink. So what Mr. Fisher did, the guy that invented this method, he was filling pen cartridges with nitrogen gas, and then the rest of it has this special kind of low viscosity ink. I'm not sure of the name of it, but it's a really thick ink, almost like bubble gum. And so what happens is the ball valve that they have inside of the cartridge, the nitrogen gas pushes on it, and it keeps constant pressure on the pen, so the pen can write underwater, the pen can write through oil, through grease, different chemicals. It can also write in zero gravity, upside down, and one refill lasts for 3.5 miles of writing. So that's pretty impressive. So here it is, and I'm just going to open it up. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And pops out. So it's got a nice little case. I already unboxed this, but I just figured I'd show you guys the case. It's kind of neat. It's a little thing here. And then if you take this off, we got some manuals underneath, and let's see if there. And basically it just tells you all about the Space Pen and the history of it, about Paul Fisher himself. So this just shows you kind of, who uses it. So military, scuba divers, law enforcement, tradesmen, firefighters, astronauts, coast guards, mountain climbers, outdoor enthusiasts, artists and designers. And then this is a little kind of sketch of the cartridge. So right there is where the nitrogen is, and then that pushes on this ball, and then that pushes the ink up through the pen. And then this is the tip of the pen, and the ballpoint is made out of tungsten steel. So it's very cool. And yeah, so oh, and right here it basically tells you it operates in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Evaporation, wasted ink, and back leakage are eliminated. Shelf life is increased to an estimated 100 years. So it's pretty neat stuff. That just basically tells you all about it. If you do purchase one, it's just a little pamphlet on it. Some pretty good information in it. So let's get to the pen. It's kind of in the shape of a bullet. It's very compact. I have the clip on it right now. You can take the clip off if you'd like. And then basically you open the pen, and then this is what it's like. And then you put the cap on the back of the pen, and it turns it into a full-size writing utensil. And then right here there's some kind of like forged knurling, I think they call it. And for grip. So it writes pretty nice. I'll do a little sample here. So yeah, it's very smooth and just an overall great pen, and I really like it. Now moving on, I also purchased a Molskine journal. You can see it right there, and it's kind of a small one, but I really like this journal. Um, I heard a lot of bad things about bleed through and the paper quality isn't consistent, but so far I am just in love with it. I mean, you know, it writes fantastically. The paper is beautiful, in my opinion, and the construction of it is just great. Um, and there's also this little pocket right here at the back of it to hold some papers and stuff like that, and then it's got the elastic that wraps around it. So the Moleskine is very nice, and I've been loving it. They are quite pricey, I'll tell you that. They're way overpriced, but you know, if you're gonna splurge on a journal, you might as well get one by Moleskine. So anyway, thanks guys, and subscribe.